I found out I was HIV positive, at that time I was living in a rehab facility, and so I was pregnant, so I had a medical appointment. And so it was during this medical appointment, you know, it was mandatory at the time, since I was pregnant, to take an HIV test. And at that time I didn't believe that I was HIV positive. I felt my life was over.
When I was first diagnosed with HIV, I was in a very cold and dimly lit free clinic. It was a very cool, crisp day, and I was devastated because I had not expected such a diagnosis. When I was first diagnosed, it totally weakened me. I totally hid. The first person I shared my status with was a friend of mine I had for 10 years. Because of the guilt and the shame, I couldn't relay that to anyone else, not even my family.
I've been living with HIV for the past 14 years. When I found out my HIV status, I did isolate myself for about 2 weeks. After repeated bouts of PCP pneumonia, in and out of the hospital, in and out, and after years and years of denial and just refusal to accept an HIV diagnosis, because I thought, no, this couldn't be, can't happen to me.
In my second trimester, I had to take the AZT. And it's been like over 12 years ago or whatever, but I know I had to take a regimen of medications while I was pregnant. And then I had to give my son medications for 2 weeks, and then another set of medications for up to 3 months. And he had the antibodies, but the medications were so good that it killed off all the antibodies, and that he no longer had HIV.
It's extremely important to be tested for HIV. For one thing, you need to know what's going on with you to continue your life, to live your life. And you also need to know how to take care of yourself, and in taking care of yourself, you take care of others.
I became a survivor after learning that I can live a healthy, productive, quality-filled life as a survivor of HIV.
Total Resources, in partnership with the Department of Public Health and with the Minority Health Center, want you to know that life is just as meaningful if you're living with HIV.
I am a survivor.
I am a voice.
I'm still here.
If you have any questions, please log on to the Illinois Department of Public Health's website.